Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these very easy adjustable rings with a paper clip. So let's get started. To make these easy rings, first you're going to open a paper clip and flatten it as best you can. Like that. Wrap a piece of string or yarn around your finger so that it goes all the way across here and all the way across there, and I'm going to cut that off here. And that's how long I'm going to cut my wire. Cut that off. Now on this end, I'm going to make one tiny little fold like this, and I'm going to pinch it closed. And I have some beads here, and I'm going to thread these onto my paper clip and make sure that it doesn't slide off. If it does, you could just make one more turn, but this is going to be fine. So I'll put a focal bead like that, and I'm going to fill all of this with these small beads. Like that. And now I'll put two more focal beads on. And one more so that this won't fall off. Like that. And then I'm just going to turn this end like that. And then pinch it closed like that. And that will not fall off. Okay, so this is what I have. Now I'm just going to take a marker and I'm going to start curling it around. Now you can put it on your finger and adjust it to fit. Curl these little metal ends down, and there you go. There's your finished ring. And I have one here done in blues. And there you go. There's some very easy adjustable rings that you can make. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.